Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Kogan TV remote is not working or not responding when you press the buttons, it can quickly become frustrating because you lose control over basic functions like volume, channels, and navigation. What makes this issue confusing is that the remote may look completely fine, yet the TV doesn't react at all. In many cases, the problem isn't a serious fault. It's usually caused by simple things like weak batteries, signal blockage, pairing issues, or minor system glitches. The key is to go through a few important checks step by step instead of assuming the remote is broken. Once you identify the actual cause, the fix is usually quick and easy. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to get your Kogan TV remote working properly again. Try these. Step 1. Remove the old batteries and insert new ones in the correct direction. Step 2. Restart your TV by turning it off and turning it back on. Step 3. Point the remote directly at the TV and remove any obstacles. Step 4. Clean the remote buttons and sensor area to remove dust. Step 5. Check the remote signal using your phone camera to confirm it is working. Step 6. Turn off the TV from the main power, wait a minute, and turn it back on.